Are you still recording?
I have one long one.
It's annoying to keep turning it off and on and off and on.
Fuck it.
Here.
No cheer for that? I just fucked the both of you.
Yeah, we're low tier characters. Ouch. What is the point of trying?
Ow.
I have a laser.
Yeah, John, yeah.
I don't want to be in the way when my laser goes off.
Yeah. Oh god.
That was just unfortunate.
Ouch.
Fucking folks.
Thank you. You saved my life and my marriage temporarily. Faggot. Stop! The both of you. I'm sad.
Word, like.
Somebody.
Fox just got me hit by that shit. I hate you. Climbing up the green tower?
Yes, indeed. Oh god, this is not cool. I'm sad.
Wow, what the? This nigga's dead weight.
Yo, shielded, but okay. My fault.
What else?
Felt right. That's no good.
What? Nigga pulled a scorpion.
How you go down with an RB move? Whatever.
What time is it? Oh,
No last one.
this is a long last match. What if he doesn't come earlier?
Ah!
Listen, he kept running.
The bomb's just going to form everywhere.
Come on! You fucking bitch! Can't let the black man have his glory.
What's this thing?
Nice one, man.
Yeah, my sword doesn't hold no bounds.
It's like the worst fucking match in Smash Bros. history. On everybody's part. So shitty.
Oh man, I'm not doing terrible.
Really? Through the bomb? I don't know, I got Fox killed.
Like crappy kills. That's fine.
Thank you.
Really?
Oh yeah, this is a crappy game. Nigga look transparent through his asshole, really?
This nigga takes a giant step forward and throws a boomerang.
Everybody's fucking trying to solve this. So getting cheesy bomb.
Shoot that fucker.
Yeah, switch this shit out of the fucking cutscene. Yo, does somebody just get another DS attack on him?
Nope.
I got hit by that though.
He's mad. Don't go for that shit.
Ah, nigga, fuck. God.
Oh, he's trying hard.
What the hell?
Sweet Jesus.
Thank you.
Why did this shit hit me?
Get him, fuck. Ow.
Nobody?
Nobody. Damn, nigga.
That's such bullshit. That's even bigger bullshit. 55, look how far I'm up. Really? Really? May the force bullshit you.
Oh, you scavenging ass.
You stole my shit too.
motherfucker.
Oh, yeah, shit.
Oh
And you
god, what the
stupid.
fuck did I do to myself? I was trying to hit you. Yes. What?
Oh, he's not, you're not.
Dog ass.
Oh, okay. You saw that, right? Did you see what I did?
Okay.
I FIFA'd the bomb and took no damage.
Boomerang? No? Okay. Why are none of my fucking hits connected? Oh my god, turn the fuck around.
My butterfinger this.
And I'm done.
Oh,
This is a crippled me.
So fuck it, I don't like you.
Hey, yo.